In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp API. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your API token in ClickUp and how to handle it safely so you can connect your tools, scripts, or integrations with confidence. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp, then sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you belong to more than one, since the API settings you'll access are tied to the workspace you're viewing. Next, look for your profile icon in the app interface. It's typically in the lower left or upper right corner, depending on your layout. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where you can access all of your account and workspace preferences. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage personal details, notifications, and developer options. We're heading to the developer section so we can generate the token you'll use with the API. Inside Settings, find and select ClickUp API. You may see it listed under a developer or team section depending on your plan and permissions. This page explains how personal tokens work and is where you'll generate or view your token. Now, click Generate. If prompted, complete the sign-in or verification flow, which may include confirming your identity through your connected Google account. After verification, ClickUp will display your personal API token. Treat this token like a password. Do not share it publicly, do not paste it into screenshots, and avoid committing it to version control. Copy it and store it somewhere secure, such as a reputable password manager, or load it into an environment variable in your development setup. If your interface shows regenerate instead of generate, remember that regenerating will invalidate the previous token, so be prepared to update any apps or scripts that rely on it. When you're ready to use the token, most tools expect it in an HTTP header named authorization with the value bearer, followed by a space, and then your token. That's the standard way to authenticate when calling ClickUp's endpoints for tasks, lists, spaces, and more. If you paste your token into a tool, like an API client, prefer secured environments and avoid sharing collections that include sensitive values. If your token is ever exposed or you suspect misuse, come back to this page and generate a new one immediately. That's it. You've navigated to ClickUp, opened your profile and settings, selected ClickUp API, generated your token, and secured it for use in your integrations.